I start already don't talk I start already Oh, I start already. Oops. Hi, hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just give me one moment because I'm setting it up on the Facebook. Those of you who are in the YouTube, okay, welcome in. Just give me one moment, right? Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, online. Happy New Year, LKY. LKY? LKY, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody. Slowly, slowly we will ease into the topic. Okay, warm up first, warm up. After we warm up, we will go into the topic directly. All right, there goes the music, and waiting for more people to join us on our platform. Okay, as we hunt for the stocks, as we study the market, what is going on, okay? Hello, hi, Aiden Xiao, hi, Millie, 50 packs. Okay, so last year we closed the year with average of 600 to 700 viewers. So tonight, let's see if you can keep up the tempo. Okay, 61 of you, 29 on YouTube. Okay, we need more people to come in. So if you are here already, please join your friends along. Okay. Hello, cheer. Hello. So we're going to look for stock together as per normal. Okay, while we are waiting, let me just quickly do my homework a little bit. Later I will explain. Later I will explain to you. Okay, so let me just do my homework first. Okay, then I will explain to you. Right, so this is the market strength index. I'll explain to you how to look at it. Okay, so right now, just hang on first. Hello, SP Line. Well, you used to be number one, no? Last time, used to be number one. So 100 packs. Okay, more people. We start at 9 p.m. Okay. Last month I did say January I expect to be bearish, right? So the self-fulfilling prophecy is happening. In fact, I saw a lot of stocks having this one-day rally and then sell off. Okay, so that one is something to be awas about. Okay, so tonight, hey Susanna, Happy New Year. Hi Josephine. Hi Philippe. So tonight the format will be a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to present to you what I see interests me, and then I will train you along, guide you along, and show you how to read the chart. Okay, so we will stay away from individual stocks per se. We don't want to focus on individual stock. Okay, we want to know how to read chart tonight. So tonight's objective is how to read chart, how to find stock. It's the process. Okay, it's a process how to do this instead of fortune telling. Like you give me one stock, I tell you what to do with it. No, we're going to change the format a little bit. Okay, right, 139. I will start and then see whether with more people join us along the way. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to 2021 first webinar for Bursa stocks. Okay, we are going to continue where we left off last month, which is last week, last session of the year. Okay, so let's come to this dashboard. So tonight I'm going to start off with this strategy, which I call the trend master. Okay, trend master. So from this trend master, we want to look for stocks that are trending stock, okay, with good fundamentals. Okay, how I check the fundamentals over here on the right hand side. Okay, trending stock, that means you see uptrend. Now let me give you a little bit of a trend education. Okay, so this is the uptrend. Okay, so share price will go up, turret back, go up again to a new high, higher than this high, and then turret back and go up again. So the buying is so strong that the share price doesn't fall. It means it's not like that, and then boom, come down like that. Okay, so it is very nice, gradually go up. So this is a very nice and stable uptrend. Okay, so my job as a trader is I love this kind of stock. Okay, and if this kind of trend is supported by fundamentals, that means their earnings are strong. Okay, no, the earnings are strong. The earnings of the company is strong. Then the trend is likely to persist. So therefore, I like to find this kind of stock. And tonight we will look for this kind of stock. Okay, so let's go. Now, how do I delete? Right here. Okay, so I'm going to look at stocks that I'm familiar with. BioLum, no need to trade, because the privatization price is about 95 cents, if I'm not wrong. Also, Boylum is not in my short list. EcoWorld, okay, EcoWorld is okay. Now this is earnings on the right hand side, this panel. Okay, those of you who are members here, I receive a lot of question about this. So by right, you should have a button here if you are a member that sign up recently with the FA module. Okay, so you should have this. If you don't have this, that means you don't have the FA module. Very, very, very old member will not have this. Okay, you need to renew. Okay, renew at least 1 year to get the latest feature. All right, so this is the button to trigger the right hand side. Now right hand side, first of all, we talk about it top down. So you have the sector, you have the industry. So for every stock that you trade, right, you want to know what is the company that you are trading or investing. Okay, so this is a sector, this real estate, and this is the industry, real estate development and operations. Now this is the performance chart comparing to its peers. Okay, that means same company in the same industry. So if you want to know, like for example, if you are a new trader or investor and you are not sure, EcoWorld, who are the brother and sister, who are the sister stock, how are the rest of the stocks doing? Now, one of the key principle in trading that I always do is I like to compare. Like for example, if I see CIMB bank, CIMB going up, I want to see how is RHB, how is Maybank doing, public bank doing. If the charts of these banks all share the same direction, share the same characteristic, then when I buy the stock, I have some confluence of strength in the sector. So I know that, this sector is very strong, it's moving up. Recently, there is one particular sector. Last 2 weeks, there's one particular sector that I was focused on, and the charts are of not all the stocks, most of the stocks are going up, belong to this Boylum sector, which is the electrical component and equipment sector. Now, this sector, this industry of stocks, okay, you click on this link over here, it will give you the full list. Okay, now when I click on the stock, you will see that all of them move up the last 2 weeks. Okay. Today is because of the political issue last 2 weeks, you can see they start to go up. I'm not talking about whole trend is going up. I'm only talking about the last 2 weeks. Okay, since last week of the year until today, we went up. Okay, today all of us should know. Okay, in case you do not know, there is some political issue happening again. So it is like every month. Okay, if I didn't remember wrongly, the last one was in November. Okay, November is the budget voting. Then after that, passed already. They still got one more. What community or what lah? So, is it community? Committee lah, not community. Committee. And then December, one more round. Okay, so January, I think it's tonight. Tonight they have this voting by UMNO to decide whether they're going to stay in this PK or not. So something like this. Okay, so that is affecting the market today. You can see the sell-off came as soon as the news is out. Okay, so what's going to happen? This is induced by the political event. Okay, so it is really, I think it is, the market is on the way up today lah. Suddenly the news come and a lot of stocks came down. Okay, but not important. What I want to share with you today is the knowledge and the skills to pick up stocks. So barring aside this political event, if tonight they pass it, they're going to they vote and then they say they're going to stay in the party, then you see tomorrow everything get up, continue again. So everything see tomorrow, see tonight's voting result. Okay, now I'm gonna click this link. So I'm going to show you PIE. PIE today very strong. Today very strong. Okay, today very strong. Now PIE, if you have come to this webinar like last week, okay, we talked about two main stock, PIE and JF Tech, and I was telling you how to read the chart because these two stock, the chart is very similar. So from the chart point of view, you can see that wow, these two stocks are trending very nicely in terms of technical analysis, and both stocks supported by very good earnings, okay, reported in the last quarter. So that video I think should still be inside our Facebook page. Okay, so if you're interested, you can go and visit. So you can see PIE also went up the last 2 weeks, okay, and today went up some more. And you have got solution didn't go up. Let me see who else go up. Scalable go up. Scalable, I think so. Yeah, Scalable, I think so. So one by one, they pop up. They pop up. Let me see any more or not from this list. MMSV also the same. Pop up last 2 weeks. So last 2 weeks, this industry was in play. Now, how do you find them? How do you find them? Very simple. Let me show you how. Okay, like this MMSV, right? If you come to this date, which is 29th of December. Okay, let me show you 29th of December. 29th of December. Okay. And then you screen. Screen the wrong rule. You should screen with this strategy, price pullback. 有冇啊 MMSV. Okay, I think I will just widen the date, the whole December lah, the whole December, all the way to 31st. Should come here. Okay, I look for this MMSV to show you how to make use of this sector information to help you find stocks. Okay, like today PIE and all that. MMSV, there you go. Okay, so this MMSV on this day you will find a little green arrow. Let's say tonight is Christmas Eve night. Okay, so you after the market close, you screen, MMSV has a very strong white candle which symbolize buying, and then followed by a pullback in price. Okay, pullback in price, and then okay, you watch, pom, suddenly it flew up and you miss the stock. Okay, you miss the stock. So on 4th of January, or okay, let's say 30th of December, you miss the stock, right? Go up, never buy, or you don't dare to buy. I think a lot of people have this problem. Okay, you saw the stock, okay, but you hesitate. You do not know whether to buy or not. You are scared. How many of you know what I'm talking about? You experienced this before. You saw this stock, the chart, very nice. You want to buy, but you just do not dare to buy. How many of you got this problem? Okay, if you experienced this before, comment yes. Comment yes. Let everybody know. Okay, that everybody is not alone. Every trader has this problem. Okay, the mental block. Don't dare to buy. Come, show. Comment yes if you have experienced this before. Helen, very honest. Okay, even myself also. Yeah, even myself also. Anzu. Yes. Very good. Thank you for participating, guys. Okay, because of your participation, I don't feel so lonely. Okay, I don't feel so lonely. Okay, thank you for your participation. Now, you are not alone. I myself too, especially if the whole market breadth is very weak and not going up. Okay, so therefore, sometimes we do not have the confidence. But once you miss this stock, right, it is very strong. Okay, then you click on this link. Then you come in and see, this sector, what other stocks are moving. Then this way, you will not miss the next one, like for example, PIE. Okay, so this is how you know whether a particular sector is moving or not. When one particular stock is very strong, you are very curious, you go and click this link and then you go through the list. Then that is how you can find other stock, okay, before it move up. Okay, so this is one way to do it. So let me continue my story. Let me come back to my last screening day. Screen the last trading day, and then I select back my trend trading, my trend master strategy. Trend master strategy, okay, I've got two strategy. One trend master, one is called price pullback. Trend master is to find stocks that are trending nicely. Okay, trending nicely. So I like trending stock. Just now I explained to you already. So I'm going to go down the list and find. Oh, we stop at Echo World, right? So Echo World, this is how you look for the rest of the property development stock. Very, very convenient. Okay, like Sunway. Oh, sorry, click wrongly. Fat finger. Like Sunway. Okay, Sunway, you see, it's going up. Okay, now it is doing consolidation. Now, during consolidation, right, this is one of my favorite setup. You know, when a stock undergo consolidation after a strong upward movement, I want to study what is going on inside this range. Let me draw the range for you. I want to understand what is going on in this range. So my job as a technical trader is to read the chart. Do I see buyer in control or not? If I see buyer in control in this range, okay, then I know that most likely the chart can break out successfully. Okay, most likely. I think recently I have got one stock that was doing this range trading, and then after that break out very, very powerfully yesterday. Okay, let me confirm. I go back to my notes to see highlight. Okay, now this is Sunway. Okay, so you have to check whether is it buyer in control in this range, because if it's consolidation, if you detect buying, the breakout will be more likely to be successful. Okay, so in this regards, I'm going to show you revenue. Okay, revenue yesterday very powerful, right? But before that, you need to know before that, are there buyer in control? Then when the breakout happens, you can trust the breakout. Okay, so I'm going to show you right here the very start of this very narrow trading range. Actually, it's not narrow, it's because this candle is very long. So I'm going to show you this. Okay, now with this look, you must be able to read the candle and the volume. Okay, so how you read this? When you look at the volume spike, okay, when you look at the volume spike, you compare up there. Is the candlestick white or black? Now, white candle symbolize buying because the market opened at, for example, on this particular day, the stock opened at what happened? Okay, at 1 ringgit and 24 cents, and it trades all the way to close at 1 ringgit and 27 cents, a 3-cent spread. To achieve this, the stock must encounter buying until it can close above where it opened. Therefore, white candle symbolize buying. Black candle is the same, 顾名思义, okay? It opens at 1 ringgit and 27 cents and it sold down to 1 ringgit and 25 cents for this candle. For a stock price to close lower than where it opens, it requires selling. Okay, it requires selling. So that is the difference between the white candle and the black candle. So today, if you do not know how to read candles, like what does this long thing means, what is this long thing means, all of them has got very, very meaningful meanings. Okay, that will tell you whether buyers are in control or sellers are in control, especially if you combine with the trading volume. If it's high trading volume and you see a very special pattern, it is very, very powerful analysis. You will be able to know whether the buyers are in control or the sellers, right? So once you look at revenue, you will notice that every time it has a volume spike, right, it is white candle. And then whenever it has black candle or when it's consolidating, you see very low volume of interest. Okay, so therefore, before the breakout happened, this revenue is already doing akan datang. Akan datang means waiting for the breakout to happen. So when the breakout happen, okay, when the breakout happen, then you dare to take the trade. Now, this is how I overcome my fear in trading breakouts. Okay, this is how I overcome my fear in trading breakouts. So when the breakout happen, usually it's too late because you'll be scrambling around. So before the breakout happen, you must already prepare to trade the stock. So revenue is a stock that I have been tracking it ever since it does this. Okay, it does this high and low volume. So I was tracking all the way, saw it in the range before it break out. Okay, once it break out, that is the moment to buy. Okay, so that is for revenue and the little topic on the Sunway. Okay, Sunway, whether is it hang on, Sunway. Okay, yeah, we are at Sunway. Okay, so whether Sunway, that chart, is it buyer in control or not? So now I'm going to share with you that range. Okay, so you tell me lah, you tell me, do you see buyer in control in this range in Sunway? Comment yes if you see, comment no if you do not see. And after you comment, you must click share. Help me share the video. Today the 人数 a bit small, only 276. It used to be 500, 400. Okay, so you tell me, do you see buyer in control in this range? Helen, always the first one. Thank you very much, Helen. Muhammad Khairu Nizam. No, no. Hey, Shurin at YouTube. No, no, no. Haila, I see a lot of you say no, 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 no. Some of you say yes. Some of you say yes. Okay, so you are right. Okay, so you make your own because I am not supposed to be too biased in a particular stock, but I want to highlight to you what works in the range and what do you see from this stock. Okay, so this is what you are seeing now, Sunway. So when it break out, right, you must have the confidence whether to chase to buy the breakout or not. That is where you compare. Wow, whether got buyer here or not. If no buyer here, the breakout happen, right, then maybe it will pull back. Maybe it will direct back. Okay, so two way to trade the range. Number one, buy breakout. Number two, buy close to the support. But either way, I prefer to see a buyer in control. So I think a lot of you got it. A lot of you got it. So well done. Right, next stock. Even all these I don't want now. Even waste time. Even stuck in this rate waste time. So R1 Tech. Wow, this one today powerful, man, because of politics. MYEG, how MYEG? Oh, MYEG this time round, okay. MYEG usually is linked to government one. So whenever a little bit of government issue, right? Wow, MYEG, D-Sonic lah. All of them will start to react. D-Sonic, wow, really toxic, man. D-Sonic. Okay, so that is for we know that. I'm going to look for stocks that I know. Jack. Okay, now Jack. Okay, first of all, Jack is in IT services and consulting. Okay, and technology is sector. So we also know that this particular sector is also on an uptrend. Okay, now what is beautiful about Jack is when you zoom in the chart, right, you are able to see buyers are in control. Okay, now how do you see buyers are in control? Again, you don't need the moving average lah, MACD lah, stochastic to tell you that this stock is bullish or not. No, all you need to do look at the volume spike. You see the volume spike, and then you compare up to the candle. Okay, so this is exactly like what revenue was doing before it rallies up. So Jack is also showing the same pattern, and most importantly is, okay, now the second part of my fundamental panel is the earnings. Earnings for Jack is increasing. Okay, that means it's a turnaround company since 2019 and starts to report better earnings. Now this over here is called TTM, trailing 12 months. So I'm going to come here and do Jack's for you. Jack, okay. Now there are three types of financial report. So annual report, reporting once a year, whole year of financial performance. TTM means the trailing 12 months, which also means the last reported 4 quarters of earnings. Okay, so it can be Q3 to this year Q3 or Q2 to this year Q2. So it is full 4 running quarters, okay, last 4 quarters of earnings. That is called the TTM. And the quarterly earnings, that means every quarter the company will report earning. And this is very, very exciting, guys, because for a for during okay, this is what I call the earning season. So during this earning season, the market is the most happening one. Those who report very good results, share price will shoot up. Those who report lousy result, the share price will go down. So this is like the report card. Every quarter, it will update its earnings, whether did it make more money or did it lose more money. Okay, so this is the 3 different type of earning report. Now, some of you may have this question. Okay, how you have this question? The question is, so 3 report, which one should I focus on? Correct or not? You have this thinking, you have this question inside your head. Wow, 3 reports, 3 types, got annual, got TTM, got quarter. Which one should you focus on? Do you have this problem? You have this question, right? Fireworks of likes. So I know that you have this question. Hey, viewers at YouTube, there's also a like button there. If you can help me, whack the like button. I'll be very appreciative of your help. Okay. Oh, I saw a few likes coming up. Coming up. Very good. Thank you very much. Okay, by you clicking likes, all right, it can help my videos to achieve higher ranking in YouTube, in Facebook. So I appreciate your help. All right, come. Let me share with you which one is the one that matters to me. Okay, number 1, okay, TTM, okay, is trading 12 months. So when okay, start with annual first. When the company is reporting annual report, that means every year one time. So after it report like 2020, if 2021 the business starts to slow down, right, you won't know, you won't know, because only at the end of 2021 then you receive the 2021 annual report. So if in the middle of the year business goes bad, you are not informed, then it's too late. Okay, trailing 12 months is good because trailing 12 months will tell you the rolling 4 quarters. So you will be able to detect that any slowdown in the business, right, you will be able to see from the trailing 12 months curve. Okay, so let me share it with you over here. You can see this trailing 12 month for Jet has been trending up. It's telling you that the past quarter may not be good, but going forward, every new quarter, they start to make more money. Therefore, the curve of the TTM earnings is sloping upwards. That means the last few quarters, they are making more money. So, in fact, it is good. Okay, it is good. Right, next is the quarterly earnings. Okay, now quarterly earnings is good where you'll be able to know exactly the last quarter, how did you perform. Okay, and this is where the catalyst for the price to rally comes from. If this quarterly earnings report, okay, the earnings is better than expected, okay, or the growth rate is much higher than what the market expects, then the share price will shoot up. Okay, the shoot up. But if, okay, for example, recently I have one stock that surprised me to the downside, which is Tiguan. Okay, Tiguan. Let me use Tiguan to show you. Okay, Tiguan is a good company. You can see the health check. Okay, revenue and income trend is high. Cash flow below average, but not bad. Not poor. Not poor means still okay, below average. Okay, very little debt and excellent financial standing. So Tiguan is actually a good company. You go outside, you talk to anyone, Tiguan, no one will tell you Tiguan is a lousy company, period. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference between the TTM and the quarterly using Tiguan to explain to you. Okay, so you can see Tiguan TTM, trailing 12 months, last 4 rolling quarter, you can see it's trending up nicely until the last quarter, Q3 2020. Can you see it's flattening? It is not achieving such growth anymore, right? Okay, it's something like this. Actually, it's something like this. So when you switch to the quarter, you will know which is the pork guy quarter that is causing this. Can you see this? Now, it is not because Tiguan is losing money. It is just because it falls short of the market expectation. If it has reported, okay, this is the 10 cent, okay, 10.4 cent in Q2, and it is 5.2 cent in Q3. So if it has reported more than 10 0.4 cent in Q3 instead, the share price will shoot up. Okay, just like how it shoot up from Q1 to Q2. But unfortunately, it reported lesser profit, and therefore the share price tumbles in T1. Okay, tumble in T1. So for Q4, when is it going to report? Q4, 26th of February. Now, you want to mark down this particular week, guys. This week. This is the week of importance. A lot of companies are going to report earnings, okay? Which also means from now, trading all the way to February, Chinese New Year is about here. So maybe there will be a little bit of Chinese New Year rally. Hopefully we see it, okay? And then coming to these 2 weeks, usually share price will start to move in anticipation of whether the market expect the earnings to report better or poorer. So it will trade up. So this is a time, okay, before it happen, right? January is the time to start to pick up the stocks that you think, in your opinion, that the earnings is going to be good. Now, we have got a lot of stocks that has reported very good earnings in last quarter, Q3, but the share price did not move. Okay, the share price went down instead, right? If I mention this particular stock, you will know who am I talking about lah. Top Glove 有没有 Supermax 有没有 right? Okay, so and a lot more. I think we have got the technology share as well. Okay, better earnings, but yet the share price didn't move. So Q3 in November, if you recall, a lot of stocks did not move up, partly because of the politics also lah. Okay, so this is the time, January, where before they move up, is a good chance for us to pick them up. The likes of like UWC lah, what else did you miss? VS lah. Wait, I'm actually looking at my watch list. SCIB lah, K Power lah, all these good stocks that reported better earnings, but the share price didn't react yet, right? So those are the ones that I will target, during this January period. Okay, waiting for the technical price to be bullish before I buy. Wow, this one very important. Okay, so that when it trades towards the earnings week, this week you can see the share price starts to go up. Starts to go up. That is when the rest of the market starts to bet on them whether it will report better earnings or poorer earnings. Okay, so that is how we do it. Okay, that is how we do it. SK Go, you asked this question 2 times. All right, let me answer you first. How many FA components up there? See FA component. Everything here, you see, everything. The three financial statements. You have got income, you have cash flow and balance sheet. Everything is here. Okay, you want to see debt level of the company, also got below. Okay, but that one for trading, I'm not holding the stock for too long term, so that I don't usually care about the debt lah. Only for 3 months only, I trade the stock. Okay. So this is how you see this, okay? The 3 different financial statements, right? So let us proceed to the chart. So this is Jake. Okay, so Jake is, okay, one thing, okay, the other thing that I want to highlight to you is now, you see like tonight, right, 6th of January, there are so many stocks in this list. Okay, so many stocks in this list. Which one to trade tomorrow or the following week? Which one is worth your time to add into your watch list to trade? Now, how do I filter? Like for example, how do I know, whether is it time to buy this stock or not? Tomorrow, can this stock move up or not? Or is it this stock going to move up? How would I know? How to choose from this list of stock? Now, I'm going to share with you a very objective way, that is looking at the fundamentals, okay, the earnings. Whoever stock with the better fundamental, better earnings prospects in February, I am going to add that stock in my watch list and then prepare to buy it when it is time to buy the stock. Okay, doesn't mean this comes out every night, right? Tomorrow automatic buy, I mean tomorrow market open 9 a.m. Just key in order or one bit higher than the signal day high. This is very, very common, right? Then immediately buy. No, not like this. Okay, not like this. So what I will do is I will shortlist those that has got very good earnings potential. Okay, then I've got 2 types of strategy to buy the stock. Either it break out or it direct back. Okay, now here I want to share with you another important thing, that before I buy a stock, I will usually check something. Okay, especially this kind of stock. Okay, that has already went up. So the best stock for me to show you as an example is Pi. Okay, Pi. Now Pi, okay, Pi I bought around 2 ringgit, 204 or 202 ringgit. Okay, before it went up to 270s, like today. Okay, like today. Now, why did I decided to buy this stock? Now, firstly, the earnings. Okay, now remember, this is the trailing 12 months. So the 4 rolling quarter, it is coming down. But the last quarter, okay, the last quarter earning is shoot up very strongly. Okay, quarterly. And you can see low debt company, excellent financial. So therefore, I love this company. Okay, and you can see the last quarter reported in Q3 shoot up from loss. Okay, actually the turnaround happened in 2020 Q1, Q2 improved, Q3 shoot up back to pre-crisis level. So this company very potential for me. So I added it into my watch list, prepare to buy it for the February earnings. So I latched onto it in December. Okay, so in between the earnings month, okay, what are the earnings month? February, May, August, November. So usually after the earnings is out, the share price will pull back will pull back because all the expectation built into the price, the share price went up, earnings comes out, confirm, oh good, okay, I went up a little bit more, and then it will carry back. Okay, it will carry back. So that is the time to buy like this, exactly like this. You see, it announces earnings. Now, PIE is one of them. Announce the earnings. After that, the share price start jalan and starts to pull back and consolidate. So if you every night, every day, you keep hunting around for stocks, in and out very fast, you will miss big winner like this because it is resting. So as a good hunter, I will wait. Okay, I will wait for you to show me the pattern to buy before I buy the stock. Okay, so when I buy at about 2 ringgit, okay, why do I want to buy it? Because it has got upside due to my projection. Okay, my projection over here. Okay, so this is what I use to do the projection. This is reported in the last earnings. So the server calculated 600% growth rate, which I think is impossible lah, too high lah. Also for me, a very respectable 25%. Now a lot of people ask, especially members, if you are here tonight, you always, people will ask me, which percentage should you key in here so that you can calculate the next level. Oops. What is this? I already say okay, ma. Why don't let me do it? F5. Okay, I'm going to reload the page. I'm so sorry. Let me just reload the page. Okay, so let me share with you what is the figure to punch in there. Okay, what's the figure to punch in there? Where's my pips table? There you go. Okay, so I'm going to put, okay, like what are the figure to put here? Now, if you're talking about, like for example, if you expect a company like T1, right? If you expect it to report just slightly better earnings, okay, then you put 5%, 10%. Okay, if you're talking about growth stock, maybe you put 20%, 25%, 30% also can use. Okay, just don't go and put 100%, 200%. The only time I do it, the 100%, 200% was during the pandemic, when we were doing the projection for the glove counters like Comfort, HLT, Top Glove, Supermax, Tata, because they really report 100% and more growth in their earnings. So that warrants us to put in a higher figure to check. But most of the time, is good enough to use between 5 to 25% or 30%. So in this case, I'm going to use a very conservative 25%. Okay, then you see, if that means we have put 25% here, what do I mean? It means that by 28th of February, that week, that very important week in February 2021, PIE is going to announce its earnings. So I'm projecting a 25% growth in that company. Also, this is what I mean. So by doing that, I can see that the pips calculation is arriving at a $2 ringgit and 67 cents target. Okay. So that means when I was looking at PIE when it was doing 2 ringgit, right? Sorry, 2 ringgit. I saw that, actually there is upside. Whoa. If PIE just reported 25% in EPS growth, okay, then this share price towards February, it should be trading upwards and then trade around that 267 level. So indeed, you see before February arrive, right, today pom, one shot go 260s, 270s and then die there. Which means market as in the market participant trades PIE, right? They factor in that okay, PIE maybe trade 25% EPS growth by February. So this is the expectation of the market when it trades there. This is how you use it. Okay, this is how you use it. Now there are some stocks where the price has gone crazy. That means they move up a lot. So when you use this pips table to calculate, right, you will see that wow, market is expecting 60%, 90% EPS growth in February. So those are the stocks that I avoid. So therefore, in November, December, you saw a lot of stock went up already, right? Actually, they are very, very near a very impossible earnings growth rate. Therefore, I hantataki lor. I don't want to anyhow trade lor. I stop lor and just wait lor. Okay. And then, yeah, that is how you use this projection table so that you avoid buying those stocks that are too high above the projection. Okay. Now, the other thing is, now, okay, one more thing. Doesn't mean I put 25% means PIE die will report 25% growth. No, it doesn't work this way. What it means is, okay, at a reasonable 25%, I believe PIE should be able to trade near this level, okay, that it should be able to achieve this kind of growth. Now, it can also report 40%, 50% growth, no problem. Then, lagi better. That means the share price can go even higher for me, you understand? So, I'm trying to give myself a very conservative target, and yet when I buy, my price is significantly lower than the conservative target, which is about 30%. The last time we measured about 30%. All right, so it hit and meet. So if you are here last week, okay, if you are here last week and you hear the same thing, hit the like button to show me that you are here last week and you heard the same projection. Come on, baby, come on. Josephine Sim, no more transaction, no need to download anymore. This version is only for members. Okay, it's only for members. So yeah, you see the lights flying up. Thank you. So some of you are here last week. You hear the same projection. I also didn't expect it to hit so fast today. Actually, it's not a good thing. So fast. Okay, if it starts to come down, it means that the 25% is the market expectation. Okay, so if it goes above to 280, 290, let me test you now. Let me test you. If it go and trade at 3 ringgit and 34 cents, if PIE trades 3 ringgit and 34 cents, okay, what does it mean? Okay, what does it mean? Think. If it goes to 3 ringgit and 34 cents before February, before Chinese New Year, what does it mean? What does it mean? Like someone comments, please comment. Listen, the symbol P1, P2, E, S1, S2. Okay, P1, P2 is the resistance, nearest to resistance. S1, S2 is the nearest to support level. Okay, E, I think is the last done price. High lah, Amil, SP Light, you got it. 50% EPS growth. Very simple, ma. This target is 25%. This target is 50%. Oh, that means, but if it trades to 3 ringgit 34 cents, it means that the market expect expect PIE to trade to report 50% EPS growth rate, which also means if it fails to report 50% growth rate, what will happen to the price, guys? What will happen to the price? You tell me. What will happen to the price? What will happen to the price? If it fails, it cannot meet this 50%. What will happen to the price? Dun, 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 dun. Right? Someone tell me what will happen to the price if it cannot meet this 50% expectation? 林清义，对了 ，drop drop. 轻易 is right, drop. Okay, therefore the share price will drop. Okay, will drop. Like, let me share with you a very classic example which I just remember. Okay, GDEX. This was the one. This was the one right here. Okay. Now, May 2020. Wow, market trend up, trade up. Now, trade, like just now I told you, right? Market will trade. February was the earnings. Okay. So after earnings is out, it will pull back. Okay, this is COVID lah. So therefore, every stock pulls back. So no big deal. But what I'm trying to tell you is between February to May, the stock will trade up to the expectation. So the stock was trading, go higher and higher at 45 cents. Okay, at the high, one day before the earnings is out. Okay, that is the market expectation of the earnings to be reported. And guess what? GTEX failed to meet the market expectation and the price gaps down. Okay, gaps down. So this is what it can happen. Okay, gaps down and then all the way come down. Okay, so this is why the projection helps me in a way not to chase stock. Not to chase stock. If I do the projection, if I do a 25% projection, okay, let's say 267, if PIE is trading at 250, then I see, walao, 17 cent upside only. So I will wait, I will wait for the price to come lower, and every day curse at the stock to ask it to come lower before I buy. Okay, this is what I have been doing to D&O. This is what I've been doing to D&O. Okay, now D&O, we see, okay, this is semiconductor industry. If you have followed me for quite some time, you know semiconductor industry is my favorite because I follow this sector very, very closely. Okay, so I've got a lot of information about this sector. Okay, in terms of global news, not in terms of Kang Tao, not in terms of, what you call that, not in terms of insider news. No, I don't have this kind of lobang. For me, is hard facts. Okay, and look at the financial statement and look at what the company chairman says. So that is how I do my homework. Okay, so this is the earnings. Let me show you. You can see that there's a growth in the earnings in D&O. Prospect is very good according to the CEO. So I want to share with you the projection. Okay, why I do not buy this D&O. Okay, now this is the quarterly. Okay, that one is annual. I change to quarterly. So you can see quarterly, boom, big number. Okay, because there is a record car sales around the world. All the major brands, Toyota, GM, Ford, okay, in US, all of them reported very strong earnings. Even the latest Proton SUV, right? I heard the order is also not too bad. Now, what has it got to do with D&O? Because D&O manufacture, a bulk of their business is manufacturing the LED lights for the car industry, automobile industry. Okay, so all these record sales number caught my eye, caught my eye, ring in my ears. Make one round from D&O, small, okay, small, then it flew away. So when it flew away, right, okay, I use this pips table to do a projection. Okay, let's do a projection together so that you know how to use this. Let's say D&O report 25%. Okay, 25%, same as PIE. 25% for growth stock should be easily meet lah. Okay, so based on 25%, the target is 190 190. So so D&O, when it was trading near this 190, okay, I do not dare to buy lor. Can you see? You don't dare to buy. So subsequently, the share price point all the way to 250. Okay, 250. You look at the share 250. It means that the market is anticipating close to 50% EPS growth. Then I look at the table. Walao, 50% growth. That means it will report significantly higher earnings per share. Or significantly higher earnings per share. What if it cannot meet? What if it cannot meet? It cannot meet, it will pull back down. It will pull back down. So therefore, I do not chase and then I just let it go. Okay, when you see that now the share price has started to react, starts to come down. So now I'm cursing and swearing at this stock. Hopefully it will come down, and let me buy below the first level projection. Then I know when I buy, right, 25% should be easier for D&O to hit. So that is how I use this this price projection to help me time the low prices. Okay. Let me see any other stock with low prices over here. Okay, here don't have. Here don't have. Let me see my watch list. Is it here to come to watch list? No. Sorry. Watch list is here. Members. Here. Watch list. Click on this. Okay, and then you look for Traders Club. Traders Club. Oh, this is the watch list. Okay, so it's not here. There's one stock. VIS. Yes, VIS. Okay, VIS. Okay, now you take a look at VIS. Now VIS run from this is the earnings. Okay, this is the earnings of VIS, and then from 52 cents it run all the way to 88 cents, right? Okay. Now, do you know why? Okay, you can use this pip table. I'm showing you why it trades to 80 cents. Okay, VIS, right? Okay, quarterly. Okay, very good. You see, this is September 22nd. That means I do not have the latest financial result out yet. Latest financial result is out on 21st of December. Okay, I only get the data 2 weeks after the company announced earnings from my data vendor. So I do not have the data yet. So therefore, my data is still the September earnings right here, the September earnings. Okay, so VIS, right? If you go to KLSE screener, you'll be able to get the growth of this company. Let me share it with you. VIS. Okay, now this is the VIS EPS, reported EPS. So if from negative 0.5 cent pop to 2.2 cent. Okay, big jump in the Q4 reported on 21st of December. Okay, which is reporting right here. Okay, big jump. Now, how far can it run? This is where the pips table can tell you the upside lah. Okay, so if I just do a 100% EPS growth rate, you know this is 5 cent ma, 0.5 cent ma, right? So it reported 2 cent. Okay, it reported 2.2 cent. 2.2 cent is very high, 2.2 cent, very high. So it's definitely more than 100%. Am I right? So when I put 100%, I saw the upside is at least 1 ringgit, no, at least 1 ringgit. Okay, so therefore you can see VIS point all the way keep going higher, and you wonder, no, why VIS so strong? Why VIS so strong? It's because the earnings support the share price. You follow me? You follow me? You learn something? Okay. Now, if you learn something and you find that this is very helpful and open your eyes to earnings versus stock price performance, give me a yes, comment a yes. And then 顺便 press the like button. Okay, so members, this is where you go to the watch list. This morning, someone asked me, I go and tell him to click here. Wrong. Sorry. Here. Okay, click here for the watch list. Very good. So from today onwards, I hope everybody don't shoot in the blind. Follow the earnings. Okay, now, what causes the share price to go up? There are a few catalysts you watch out for. Number 1 is earnings. Number 2 is government policies. Okay, like government project, like they're going to spend on infrastructure and so on. The other one is worldwide industry trend. Like recently, the steel prices has been going up, still at a high. Therefore, you see all the steel company, right? Mass Steel, for example. Okay, you can see all the steel company all went up big time. You click here, you get all the steel. Anju also went up big time. Okay, because the global steel price is up. Steel up. Coming down now is because of pulling back, right? You went up too high already. So if you use the pips table, right, you will be able to know that, wow, they are too high. So therefore, don't chase after the highs. Okay, Lion Industry. Okay, so this is what we call industry trend. So the other one is contract win. Okay, contract win. And also you pay attention to any new development in the company. Now, typically, what is the most easiest to trade? Okay, the most easy to trade. I'm going to write it down here. If not, I just talk, very boring for you, right? Okay, I'm just going to type it here. Okay, very good. So I was talking about earnings report, right? QR. Okay, so this one year, how many times? 1 year, how many times? Anybody know? 1 year, one company report how many times? Come, someone answer this question. Just type at the comments field we do. Calvin, under units are already there, pips. Already there. How to estimate price target using pips is already there. 4, Ho Chia, congratulations. 4, you are right. Okay, so you stand a chance to win our grand lucky draw. First prize is the Proton SUV. kidding. Okay, so earning QR is 1. So 1 year 4 times. So remember during the earnings report, look out for outperformance. Okay, look out for disappointment. Then you buy accordingly. Next is industry trend. Okay, then you have got government policies or projects. Okay, and the other one is contract wins. Okay, so these are typically the catalysts for the share price to go up. Okay, now one very important thing. Let me see. I got a question. What do you click on the right hand side to see the counters in the sector? Michael Low, over here. This click here for all stocks in same sector. Very, very useful. This one, since 10 years ago, right, a lot of members, a lot of users of Chart Nexus was looking for this sector. Very, very key in our training. Sector, very important. Okay, so earnings is the most easiest that everybody have access to. Okay, now government policy and projects is quite tricky because you do not know when is the announcement of the award win. Okay, so you do not know when are they to call for tender. Like for example, the solar project has been saying until now, solar vest all that going up but no timeline. Okay, we don't know the timeline. And also the NISS project until now also haven't announced it. So a lot of stocks starts to go up, like IRE starts to go up because of this potential to win the project, so they all start to react. So those to me it's not very easy to trade. Okay, very easy to trade. The last time where I successfully caught these stocks was the Bandar Malaysia project and the ECRL line back in April 2019. That one where Mahathir went to China to talk about the project. Also that one, IWCT, Ecovest, Gadang, wow, very easy to make money. One day, 10%, 16% either up. Okay, so that was the only time I was very, very successful in this particular catalyst to trade the stock. And the chart is damn bloody obvious. All of them look the same. You want to see or not? You want to see the 2019 construction and property stocks, how easy it was that time? You want to see? If you want to see, I just skip and talk about contract wins. If I have enough yes, then I'll show. If not, I will just skip because I think I speak about this quite a number of time already. You want to see how easy the chart was in 2019? Hey, I saw lights coming up. Lights means you want to see, Yes. Okay. Yes, a lot of yes. Okay, a lot of yes. So let's take a look at it. IWCT. Okay. I'm going to split up the screen into 4. IWCT 20. Here you go. Okay. And then you have got Gadang construction, representing the construction sector. We have Gadang 2019 over here. They still reported very lousy earnings back then, yet the share price can go up. Okay, Gadang. And then we have got Ecovest representing the property sector. Property sector. Oh yeah, Ecovest got 2 property. Yeah, correct. Okay, 2019 waterfront project. Okay, now April, you see on April this day, right? Okay, when I move my cursor, you will be able to see the candle on the line on the same chart everywhere. Okay, so for 8th of April, okay, 8th of April, you can see that before is the most important. Before you can see that there are buyers coming into the stock in anticipation of the confirmation of this project, ECRL line, where China is the railway will be built by the Chinese, so therefore it's expected that there will be a lot of development along that rail line. So this is the property side of things. So you can see before that, buyers really coming into the stock as early as March, preparing. So when I was doing my screening, right, I was saying, hey, IWCT, how come so many buyers coming into the stock? Also around here, akan datang, you wait until here. This is exactly like how I was showing you just now on those stocks. Very high volume spike, white candle, white candle, white candle. When coming down, very low volume, this is the one that you trigger the buy. All members with me who was there in 2019, all of us will remember this good time. Very simple. Okay, EcoVest also the same thing. You can see the buyers coming into the stock. Okay, coming into the stock and then pop, go up. My pop go up. Okay, pop go up, right? And then you have this Gadang. Okay, wow, Brian Gunn, love you, man. Thank you for showing other people to share the live video. Terima kasih. So Gadang is also the same. You see, it's also the same. Before it went up, right? Buyer already stepped into the stock. Can you see? So this is my chart reading without indicators based on price action. So my job is to always look for this kind of obvious chart and I wait. I wait until the price is favorable before I want to buy the stock. And this is where the Banda Malaysia project was confirmed. So it was believed that there will be a lot of construction activity. Okay, notice I use the word believe because why? After the project is confirmed, okay, after the project is confirmed, you take a look at the share price. Okay, project confirm, project confirm, look at it. Then you think that, oh, I'm going to make more money, or maybe lah, but take a look at the share price. Keep coming lower and lower and lower, right? Okay, so this is not supported by earnings. The earning is still crap that time. Okay, it is just because of the Banda Malaysia project. So therefore, just now I write here. Oh, where is it? My writing gone already. Oh, so contract win, government policy is the most difficult one to trade because we do not know the date. But for that particular news, right, we know the prime minister, the ex-prime minister was going to China to negotiate the deal, and you saw buyer really buying, so that is why that was a pretty easy trade. Okay, so earnings, and then we have got industry trend. Remember, industry trend also semiconductor. Okay, semiconductor industry this year projected another 8.1 or 8.2% growth this year, 2021. Okay, I stand to be corrected with the numbers because I don't remember it at the back of my mind by my fingertips. So I think it's about 6 to 8% growth this year, semiconductor industry. Okay, so later I share with you who are the ones. So industry trend, and then you have got government projects, right? Okay, so do you remember this one? Unless it's very clear when they are going to announce it, then you look at the chart. It should show you buyer in control. Then it is a sure trade. Okay, number 4 is contract wins. Okay, contract wins. Now for contract wins, okay, from my experience, from my 15 years of experience, let me share with you this little tip. Okay, share with you this little tip. This tip is, if you buy companies, okay, that already has very good earnings trend, that means they have this momentum going on every quarter, they are making more and more money. Okay, usually these companies will win contract, i.e. K power. Oops. Okay, i.e. K power. Okay, if you go to K power, you will be able to see the performance of the share price. you see, there are two lines I draw, and I draw here. So I started to track this stock as early as after the pandemic, because before pandemic, it was also a bloody strong stock. Can you see? I use the word bloody to show you how strong the trend is. Okay, I purposely choose the word bloody to show you how strong this is before COVID-19, guys. You take a look yourself. It was already a very powerful uptrend. Okay, so after COVID, then it continued on its powerful uptrend. Can you see? So this kind of company, why is it so strong? It is because it's supported by earnings. Okay, supported by earnings. Okay, and recently it is so strong, so much stronger. Recently it was because I think it has a vaccine deal, if I'm not wrong, reported in the members group. I didn't read it because I don't have this stock, but I saw it was some vaccine news. Okay, so my point to you is, above all, if you want to take part in that four catalysts, the first and the last is the easiest. The earnings and the contract win is the easiest. So if you want to have your stock achieve contract wins, just buy good earnings company. So in a nutshell, if you focus on good earnings company, then your journey as an investor and a trader will be much simpler and easier. Okay, easier. So that is in a nutshell what I want to share with you tonight. Okay, look for good earnings potential stock, then it will be very easy for you in the market. JF Tech is also another one. Okay, also another one, supported by very strong growth in the earnings. PIE also another one. PIE due to last quarter just happened. So we expect it to continue to have that momentum. Okay, if you see UWC, also the same. Okay, UWC supported by good earnings. All right, so this is the kind of stocks that we want to trade. What about VS? Okay, VS is also having a very strong trend. Okay, very strong trend, right? Supported by earnings again. Okay, this is the rolling 12 months, rolling 4 months, TTM, trailing 12 months. So you can see the last 4 quarter, right, already starts to turn up. So you can go to you can come here to the health check. Okay, and then you can take a look at the last quarter. Can you see? Starts to grow already. So this is also a very strong stock. So that is what I want to share with you tonight, based on the strong stocks, how you use these two to look for strong stock. Okay, just as a summary, this is how you use the PIPS table to find where is the best reasonable price to buy a stock. Okay, you want to buy as low as possible, then you use the PIPS to see how far off are you from the first projection. The further is this, the better lah. Then you have a very low price, like a good sale like that. Okay, so this is the FA side, which is very important to me. And if you want to see, just now I say semiconductor, right? What are the company inside the semiconductor? So let's see, UWCA. Okay, semiconductor equipment testing. Ta-da! For semiconductor equipment and testing, these are the 4. Okay, VIS is inside. VIS, Inari. Okay, then you got, what else do you have over here? Hey, where's my Franken? Semiconductors. Pure semiconductor, pure breed, all here. Okay, some of them cross industry because DNO also supplied to the semiconductor industry for the LED diode. Okay, GF Tech, definitely one of it, because it has recently, the latest news on GF Tech is it has received a MOU. I think it's MOU, or is it a contract sign? I'm not sure. I stand to be corrected, to venture into China. So the prospect is very good for this company, right? So this is how you look for the stocks in the various sector. Once you see that a particular stock is very strong, very nice, like Johor Tin, very nice. Very nice. Earnings is starting to grow on an uptrend. Okay, let me show you the earnings of Johor Tin. Okay, you see, cantik. Okay, and you can see that it starts to grow in the quarterly. So next quarter, if it continue to grow, wow, Johor will be very powerful if next quarter continue to grow. Okay, I'm not saying buy Johor. I'm not saying you buy immediately. No, you need to make an assessment. Is it the right price to buy? Okay, and then how likely is it going to achieve better growth in the next quarter? Now, where do you find this better growth in the next quarter? Financial statement. Check the last quarterly financial statement. Read the financial statement for one particular section. That will tell you. It is as straightforward as that. Okay, you do all this due diligence. It will firstly reduce your unnecessary losses because you start to trade and appreciate good companies. Okay, and then you will find that making money is more process oriented versus everyday hunting for tips. Okay, so that you are in better control of your own financial destiny. Okay, so how many of you still want to continue to learn more tonight? I know I share a lot already, but if you are still in the appetite to learn more tonight, let me know. Comment yes, please. Because I got something very good to share with you. Something very good to share with you. Okay, another very good company. Another very good company. Yes. Facebook, yes. YouTube 啦 ，YouTube 係咪 YouTube 要不要啊？ Yes. Very good. I'm very touched by your appetite to learn more seriously. Oh, very touched. So therefore, in order to reward your participation tonight, I am going to share with you my training program. Hey, Chia, I already daddy of 2 kids. Already daddy of 2 kids. I already passed the stage of waking up in the middle of the night. Thank goodness they grow up. Okay, right? So for those of you who wants to learn more and you are serious about learning, and through this 1 hour of sharing, you learn that you find that you learn a lot from me and is easily understand, I invite you to join my mentorship program so that you can be with me and learn throughout the next 1 year. Okay, throughout the next 1 year. So after 1 year of intensive training with me, you will become a smarter and better trader, a more astute trader. Now, there are 4 steps to my trading strategy. As you can see, market screening. Okay, you screen out the stocks, then you pick from the stock. Okay, which is the most bullish chart. Remember, not all the stock in this result every night is tradable. You need to use the fundamental to filter the best. Only quality companies, guys. Only quality companies. That is our best form of defense against unnecessary losses. So if you're someone who lose until you already TL, that wow, you give up, you want to restart, okay, try me. Okay, I invite you to try me. Okay, next is pick from, okay, so I said evaluation. So this is the earnings, okay, and then the pips. Remember the pips, where is it too high up in the projection, then you want to give it a miss, right? So this is the evaluation part, and then the precise moment of when to buy. Okay, when to buy. This is the one. 4 steps. So what will you get in this program? You will get a mobile app. Okay, you have to install the mobile on your phone and you will receive a broadcast message from me. So like today, these are the 2 things I talk about. Principles behind selling. That means if you want to lock in profit, if you want to sell a stock for profit, or you want to, okay, sorry, what I mean is, if a stock price move a lot and you wonder, is it time to take the profit or not? So there are 2 ways to consider. So this will help the member at the right time. Like today, a lot of stock pullback, right? Some of them, we are sitting on profit rather on trend. So this is the correct moment to remind them of the training. Now, this is what you should consider if you want to lock in your profit. Okay, so this is like a continuous education. Okay, like today we find that revenue and Tufu has the same kind of behavior. Let me share with you. Revenue, okay, you check revenue. Revenue yesterday, big rally up, right? With high volume, and then today selling, you see Tufu also the same. So I will highlight this kind of cases to the students, to the members, so that they are kept aware. Oh yeah, this is the danger sign of the market right now. Also to highlight all these key observations with them so that it helps them in their learning. And the continuation education, like when I see a particular stock, right, then I will highlight that, hey, in our training, this is what we discussed. How do you see whether buyer are in control or seller in control? So every day in the live market, I will pick up examples to show, okay, whether is it a good lesson to learn. Okay, so that is how I do it. And then we have this M plus alert. Okay, now this is optional. Okay, optional. If you join the mentorship program and you open a trading account with our partner M plus Securities, now you will receive these real-time alerts driven by the technical levels, okay, of these stocks. Now you will receive it during the market hours. Then it will alert you to take a look at the stock, whether is it time to buy or is it time to sell. Then you have to make the decision. Okay, from the training, you will learn how to appreciate the signal over here. So again, it is not an automatic buy. It's not an automatic buy. You need to open up the chart and then make the assessment, final assessment once you receive the alert before you buy the stock. Now, this kind of alerts is helpful for people who are very busy with work and you cannot sit in front of computer the whole time. Okay, or you need to do housework. You need to do housework at home. So when you're mopping the floor, halfway your mobile phone ring, right? The alert comes in like, oh, Jay, meet the volume requirement. Oh, then you go to your computer, you log in and you open up the chart and you think, okay, based on the training, this is the candle, is it time to buy? It will alert you to these important market moves. Okay, so that will be the alert part. And then for the Facebook private access group, now this is where I communicate with the members, also the continuous learning. Now, first of all, I'll introduce to the units first. Units is where all the training videos are already pre-recorded, so it is video on demand. How to use the software are all here, because in the training, you'll be given the software throughout your membership. And then I will highlight a few key videos to you. Video 2, how to identify volume trigger. What kind of volume should you be interested in for a particular stock? Like for example, GF Tech, PIE, when the stock trade to a particular level is more important than rest of the time of the day. So this is how you learn, okay? And then the other strategy to in this training is a smarter way to buy low, okay? Some people do not like to trade breakout. Some because of past failure experience, right? They somehow already handicapped psychologically. They cannot accept breakout trade, so they want to buy as low as possible. This training video will teach them the way to buy low, a smarter way to buy low. Okay, so this is the training to teach you that. And when to take profit, right here, sell rule. When do you sell? All the trainings are here. One of the most important video is this trading portfolio management. In this program, is about building a portfolio of stocks. It's not one or two stocks. You go and hook tuano, or in Malaysia market context, hook gaoi. Also, it's not like that. Okay, it is a portfolio of stocks. Okay, where you want to collect a portfolio of good companies, only good companies, and then you allocate your fund accordingly to start to build a wonderful portfolio. Okay, for the next earnings play, for the next contract wins as a price catalyst. So this is the core principle behind the portfolio management right here. The training video is here. Okay, so these are the rest of the video. You can come and view it anytime during your membership, video on demand. Now, discussion is where the daily discussion will take place. Okay. So like every day, I will open up a thread like this, 6th of January, 9 to 5. So during this 9 to 5, right? Wow, conversation is going on inside. Okay, like from announcement, Bursa announcement, like today, Super Comnet reclassified under healthcare, all these news and throughout the day, if you got any technical question like chart, don't know how to see, okay, like your parts, you don't know how to see, like chart, you don't know how to see, then see, I will highlight and show you that, based on this, this is because of the volume. How do you read the volume? Or I will show the members how to see. Hey, what is Simon doing here? Oh, they are celebrating K power. I missed this. Okay, so you ask Simon, this mentorship program good or not, Simon? Good. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so this is the daily conversation, okay, with the members. So they reinforce their learning. And every Monday night is the training for the members. Okay, every Monday night right here, like 4th of Jan. Okay, first training day of the year. We have a members only session and where we discuss the stock, something like tonight, but more details, like going through some of the questions the members may have with regards to the trading method. So to clarify their doubts every Monday. So you see, this program is designed to be with you all the way for the rest of the year until you become proficient in trading, right? So you will get access to all the software that I was using just now so that you can pick good stocks together with me. Okay, we are one of the most experienced education provider in Malaysia. Okay, we have more than 14 plus years of experience since 2007 when we conducted our first training. Okay, that time our office is at the Star Menara, that area. I forgot the name. Okay, so I remember opposite the office building there is this Menara the Star Menara office building, and we use the auditorium to do our seminar last time before COVID lah. No need to wear mask that time. We can still do it there. Okay, and we also provide the charting. Now these tools that you see are done by ourselves. We are IT company. Okay, why we started training is because when we build all these tools okay, a lot of people do not know how to read fundamentals, do not know how to read candles and volume. So we came up with training program 14 years ago to teach them how to use our tools. And also we also provide the same tools to the brokers that you see on the list over here, 6 of them in the industry. So ChartNexus is in the industry for the 14 plus years. Okay, a company that you can trust. This is the workshop gallery picture of some of the events that we have hosted before. You see the large crowd, and more importantly, pre-COVID time, no need to wear a mask, also no social distancing. Now, if I do this, jialat, I will be in the newspaper headline. I will be the new cluster if I do this now. Oh, so this is me. Okay, this is me. I am a private trader, market strategy for ChartNexus for the last 14, 15 years. Okay, one of the founder of ChartNexus. Okay, so this is me when I was younger. Okay, and there was an interview from one of the media, so I was quoted. Okay, I have to give a quote, so I give this quote: 买股票可以输钱，但不能输掉信心. Okay, so this quote is dedicated to all the newbies who first venture into the stock market this year, and then you make some money and subsequently maybe you lose back in the glove stocks. So what I want to tell you is everybody will start on a losing foot, but you do not lose confidence. Once you lose confidence, you will never win back your money. So what you want to do is to really learn how to do it and then steadily accumulate your profits so that your trading account can grow. You can lose money, but don't lose your confidence. That's what I'm going to tell you. So this is the testimonial from our kind members who bother to give me their kind words. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the live ones over here. Okay, you click on that link over here, you can come to my Facebook. Then this is where you can see the real life testimonial from their Facebook. See, their links are all there, so you will be able to see. Okay, I'm going to read some of them. So like Abu said, he is a superb coach and guides all the way. I really appreciate him. His ways and methods are practical and is relevant to current times. This is very important. Okay, because like last November Q3, when a company report earnings and yet the share price doesn't react positively, I actually played defensive. Okay, play defensive. So when it's time to be aggressive, like in May, in June, in July, we went aggressive. We pick up all the glove stocks. When it's time to sell glove stock in September, we sold the glove stock in September. Okay, so this is current times, very important. Thank Abu for mentioning this so that I have a chance to explain to you. So I have benefited from his teaching, and I tried many others, but he is the best and superb. Oh, I feel like flying to the ceiling. Okay, now next, Lex. Okay, Yihua is a genuine mentor that doesn't beat around the bush, learn a great deal through his unique method. Okay, so these are some of the testimonial. You can see how you can come in and then how this program has helped the members come in and see if this program is something that you're looking for. Maybe the final jigsaw puzzle, the final piece to your financial wealthness, okay, healthness, financial health, wealthiness. Okay. Now this is the earnings season. A little explanation to you. Just like I said, February, May, August, November. So this is the one. Okay, this is the one. Now we are currently running a Chart Nexus Christmas Forever sales, a sales promotion. We are 1 day and 1 hour away from the expiry. So this is a very, very good deal. I'm going to share with you right now. Okay, once you miss tonight, we are going back to our usual price next webinar in next week, next Wednesday. Okay, so we start from the great deal first. Great deal is you buy 1 year, you free 6 months. Best value, you buy 2 years, you free 1 year. Now the ultimate promotion is you buy 3 years, you free 2 years. Okay, so there are massive savings right here when you join during this promotion period. Okay, so now I have come to the end of this webinar. So those of you who are going to sign up, please click on the link as posted, as pinned up comment by my member. Okay, no, by my admin. Okay, my assistant. There you click on the link, then you can go to the sign up link and proceed to sign up. Once you sign up, you will receive a welcome email, and you have to follow the instruction in the welcome email to get access to the tools, okay, to the software, to the communicator app, to receive the broadcast and invitation. How do you get invited into our Traders Club private page? All right. Right. Any question with regards to the training program? You can ask now. Me and my assistant will help you. How to manage time when see alert while working based on mobile phone apps? How to manage the time, CK? You have to do it lah. Okay, so we bring you the alerts. So the next thing you need to do is to know how to click buy lah, or you have to do it lah. No choice. Will it be difficult to analyze the chart using mobile app? Oh yes. Okay. Now one thing is my mobile chart is still not so user friendly. There's no real time. Okay, but the desktop one has. So you need to have your desktop with you, your laptop with you. Use your laptop. iPad also can. Okay, iPad also can. The candle at least is the real time one. Okay, so that I hope I answer your question, CK. Thank you, Wyman. Thank you, Pixie, Abu, all of you for giving me the good words. Daniel, thank you very much. Lee Tan Kyung, how to get the alerts? Okay, the alerts mobile app. If you are already a member, right, you should be able to get. Okay, you should be able to get. Follow your welcome email to get it. Okay. Yes, next to Eastern Hotel Pixie. Why? That means 2007, 2008, you are with us already. What is the 60 days trading offer? Bo liao lo, Qing Yi. 60 days trading offer is 2020 matter. Taiji no more, now no more. Now it's all 1 year already. Either 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year. Then you free 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years. Okay, 60 days. Next week, see whether we'll bring back or not. Not sure, but 60 days bo hua. Okay, so this is better. This promotion is better. Right? Any more questions, guys? Lee Tan Kyung already a member, huh? Good. So you go and dig out your welcome email, and then you follow the procedure, install the app. Okay, I think once you install the app, you should have the access. Okay, you should have the access. No need to configure the alerts. You install the Chart Nexus charting software app into your mobile phone, right? Then under the communicator, below the menu communicator button, you click, you tap, then you will see it already. Okay, then if you're using Apple, the notification definitely will be turned on. But if you're using Android, Android got more control. Then you sometimes maybe accidentally turn off the notification. Okay. Now, those of you who has been here for many, many times, okay, take advantage of this promotion because it really is lower your cost. Okay, lower your cost. Make this investment into in learning. Okay, that will serve you for a lifetime. This is what I always tell people. Wong, I'm interested to sign up 1 year plus. Will it be possible to include my current package into this deal as my current package was activated in the please to consider. Wong. Okay, Wong, if you sign up for the 1 year plus 6 months, right? It will not run concurrently with your November. It will run after. It means your subscription will be extended for 1.5 years. Okay, it will not overlap. It will not overlap. There, you see? This note over here, if you have an active subscription with us, okay, you subscribe to the promotion, the newly bought subscription will start after your current subscription end. Okay, you must use the same email address. So it will extend. Okay, it will extend. We need to decide to buy, sell based on alert during working hours or based on last night analysis. CK, if you do your homework at night, the night before, next day, you will know what stock you're looking at. Then once the alert comes, you will know what to do, okay? What to buy, what to sell. During working hours, you must have that little flexibility to be able to open up the chart and place order. I think a lot of people are doing that. A lot of people. If everybody on 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. doesn't trade, then there should be no trade in the market. How come I see every day got the people buy sell stock? Marcus, the chart nexus charting live to see. Now we have a live version with M+. You must be a M+ client to activate for you. But you must join us as a member, then you'll be able to get the real-time charting. Okay, that is in a collaboration with M+ for all members. Okay, for all members. But you need to have an M+ trading account. Okay, if you do not have a trading account, after you join us, we have a dedicated dealer. I will ask him to contact you. Okay, then you can open a trading account, then you can get the real time. Mike, the chart in ESP Master over here, this version is end of day. That means this is tonight's data. Today's trading day, 6th of January data. Okay, so not the real time one. Now, this program is also not about contra trading, not about intraday trading. It is about buying good company and ride the trend. Okay, I hope like PIE, right? Let me show you PIE. Okay, like it's something like buying the stock here in August, right, all the way to current time. Okay, we try our best to ride the trend. The last stock I ride for them long is Top Glove and ScoMnet. Okay, but finally they have weakness. I have to lock in the profit and go. Right, so it is about building a portfolio of good stock. But if the market asks me to take profit, I will take profit. Okay, I'm not going to hang on to the stock and live through the up and down with him. Irene Tan, you are very smart. Yes, SC has gave a new guideline for stock advisory. Therefore, I do not advise on stock one. I don't. You see, like tonight's session, right? Okay, is never talking about one particular stock, call buy, call sell. No, I don't do that. All along, I never do that one. Okay, I do on the educational purpose. Okay, educational angle. So, does it affect me and my services? It will not. Okay, it will not. Let me share with you why. Because you take a look at today's message. Okay, like for example, when it's time to log in profit, okay, it is a timely reminder sent to all members to remind them of the 2 rules. Okay, the sell rules over here. Okay, the sell rules over here. Because there are so many videos here, I scared after the member view the video already, still like one of my members say, Mong Cha Cha, don't know what to do, right? So I will highlight to them, hey, we covered the profit taking strategy and sell rule. Okay, so you can refer to this video to decide whether to sell or not. So I will not, and I have never issued a direct buy this stock, sell that stock, or let's buy this together, sell this together. No. Okay, I hope I answered your question, Irene. Great question, by the way. Great question. They issue the guideline over the weekend, so we look at it and then we have been following it. We have been following it. So even for the alerts, remember, even for the alerts, I have said many times in tonight, right? It is not an automatic buy. You need to qualify with the fundamentals, okay? And then you know how to make your trading decision whether to buy or to sell. Similarly, for the real-time alerts, if you take a look at my posting, right? For example, 7 hours ago today, when I saw revenue having the same pattern as Tufu, I reminded the member that, hey, this is a same pattern as Tufu yesterday, so that they can understand and make their own decision. Okay? Hey, Bentley, 不要害我 how can advise? Cannot advise one. Remember, cannot advise. You see above you what the Irene say? SC gave new guidelines on stock advisory. Later I go Bukit Aman. Don't want. Cannot. Top glove September, right, already has a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, September webinar I already talked about it. I think a lot of people are here, they can attest to it. Okay, so yeah, that is how we do it. Jared, the membership is worth it. I just signed up despite the recent setback, but the members community plus the hands-on coaching makes me. Hi, thank you, Jared, for the kind words. Oh, Jared, and I think there are a lot of members over here at this Facebook. Okay, so they have been giving their testimonial, their comment on the training program, how it has helped them. So those of you who are over at YouTube, you may not be able to see it. Okay, why don't I go there and show you? No need lah. You go to the Facebook and you can see lah. You go to the Facebook, you can see. Right, any more questions with regards to the training program, how it can help you after you join? What do you expect? Feel free to discuss here. Feel free to discuss. Okay, so that you sign up without any worry. Okay, you know exactly what you're signing up for. Okay, you're not signing up for advisory service, alert service, or just don't learn, just come in and just follow, buy, sell. No, not like that. It's to learn. So if you are not going to learn, you come in expecting tips, then wrong program to join. Okay, wrong program to join. But remember, because I teach you, you will know how to do it for the rest of your life. That is more valuable. Okay. Okay, Irene. Okay, no dividend investing video, CK. Dividend investing, I talk about dividend investing in the Singapore mentorship. Okay, because Sing dollar is stronger, more firm. So therefore, I do not invest for dividend in Bursa. Okay, but in Singapore, and yeah, we do keep a list of stocks that whenever I am going to buy a certain stock for dividend long term, 3, 5, 6, 7 years. So I will highlight the particular stock and then we discuss with the member. It's always on a discussion basis. It's never directly from me, then they just wait there for the answer. No. Understand you cannot advise, so you will drop hints and lessons for members to decide. Yeah, Irene, I will not drop hints also. I will drop lessons. Okay, I will remind member, this particular lesson is time to pay attention to it, something like this. So if you are asking, okay, will you really know what stock to buy after you join coming straight direct from me? My answer to you is no. Okay, you will have to join the Monday night meeting to understand why we select those stocks and how to time entry into those stocks. Then you can apply for the rest of the days. And when you are unsure, there is the Facebook community for you to ask the question, and then we will give you from an educational point of view. Now, one thing everybody must understand here is if everybody buy the same stock, okay, then the stock definitely will go up. You see, my number of members are 677. I cannot afford to call one stock. If I call one stock, everybody buy sure go up. You understand what I'm saying? So I cannot tell what stock to buy. Okay, I cannot call buy. Anyway, SC also say cannot. So I can tell you based on the process, how do you find stocks? Then you go through my process, step 1, 2, 3, 4, you will be able to find your own stocks to buy. That is more valuable. Then it's going to be very process oriented, and you can imagine, right? You will be no longer mess up and confused by the stock market, because if you follow your process, you will realize that recently not a lot of stocks to buy because all of them went up too high already in terms of the pips projection. Some of them 50, 60, 100% pips projection. You know that not the time to buy. Then you know you can stand back and you wait for the price to drop first. Then you can buy them. Oh, so it is a process. So you know exactly what you're waiting for. Okay. Now remember, now is January. February is the earnings, guys. So this is the good time to pick up stocks. Okay, let me see. Thank you, Aiden Xiao. Wow, upgrade from 60 days to 1 year. 1 year and 6 months. And 6 months. Okay, Pixie, those existing members do not have the FA program will get it immediately if they extend their with the previous role. Yes. If you renew, you will definitely get the latest one. Okay, and it will extend your current subscription as well. So yeah, no loss at all, and you upgrade to the latest one. And the next future upgrade or ESC master, right? All members should be able to get it because of this what do you call that? A lot of words. Okay, we have a new upgrade for the ESP master coming up. Okay, it will come with delay feed, delivering alerts directly to your platform. Okay, I have shown it in the Monday webinar, so I'm just going to give a quick review because it's now on beta. I'm still running it and testing it. Okay, so this is coming to all members. Okay, all coming to one. So if you buy the Christmas promo, right, you upgrade your status to the new one, you will get a delay chart like this. You'll be able to see the hourly chart. Okay, you'll be able to see the hourly chart, and you will have more options over here. Quotes, delay quotes, KL, Bursa market, delay quotes, and then you have manage alerts. Okay, everything happening on your Chart Nexus platform. But again, this version we are still testing, coming out soon. Akan datang, not ready yet. Okay, so once it's ready, I will make an announcement to all the members and record a video to show you how to set alerts. Okay, how to set alerts. Then it will alert on your ESP master over here. Okay, so this is coming soon. Meanwhile, we will still continue to use the one without the intraday. Okay. Hope I answer your question, Pixie. CK, can this strategy used to trade US stocks since there is no stock alert? Since there is stock alert, CK, this method cannot be used to trade US stocks. Okay, cannot be used to trade US stocks. US stocks, I have to use another method. Okay, because why? Why? Let me explain to you. Because it is at night. US is at night. When we are sleeping, they are trading. And health is very important to me. Okay, so I do not like to stay up very late to trade the US market. Otherwise, you will fall sick. Your health will deteriorate. So I have another method that is, you buy and then you ride the trend on the US stocks. Probably you issue the order between the opening to the lunchtime, where before we see like 11 p.m. and then you ride the trend. So even the stock selection process is different. So that is another strategy by itself. Okay, US, I tend to invest more than I trade it. So that is the difference here. So therefore, the Malaysia Bursa method, right? Because Bursa is still daytime, I can still monitor. But you come to US, cannot. That one better choose properly, better choose the strong ones. Okay, and then you write the trend according to the industry trend. Okay, I hope I answered your question. Oh, I see, Pixie. Got it. Ramesh. Okay, so what is general pattern around Chinese New Year? Okay, actually, the so-called Chinese New Year rally is an urban myth. Okay, urban legend, urban myth. Okay, why? It's because, okay, listen carefully. Because it's when the stock market rally in that week of Chinese New Year, before Chinese New Year, we call it the Chinese New Year rally. That's all. It doesn't mean that before Chinese New Year there will be a rally. No, it is when Chinese New Year is near, the stock market rally, we call it a Chinese New Year rally. Okay, it is a retrospective term. Similarly for Santa rally, if it happens, it's called a Santa rally. So it doesn't mean that Christmas time market will rally. It doesn't mean Chinese New Year time market will rally. Okay. Lydia, should we use ESP Master or M Plus to set alerts? Are the alerts set by your team or we have to manually do it ourselves? Okay, Lydia, there are two types of alerts with the new platform that is going to be released. Not released yet, Lydia, not released yet, but there are going to be two. One is user-owned alerts. That means the alerts set by yourself for those stocks that you are interested in. The other one is system-generated alerts. Okay. So you have two types of alerts. Remember, that one is new platform then have M plus only has system generated alerts delivered to the mobile phone. Okay, user customized alert only trigger alert you in the charting platform. So this is the main difference here. Okay, a lot of upgrades coming to the chart nexus platform. Okay, the ESP master platform. So Telegram alert as well, right? I was telling all of you in the members only meeting. So all these alert, okay, especially for those who are working, right, it's going to deliver to your mobile phone, not just to the what can I, to the charting platform only, to your mobile phone. So that will really help you a lot. Okay, so very exciting. I think before Chinese New Year, oh yeah, Michael, I forgot to show the market strength index. Okay, now market strength index last, I think Monday, I was talking about it, right? Now we are testing the December low. So if we break, it's going to come to this October low. So the time to Sabu stock is here again. Okay, the time to Sabu stock is here again. Good, the market come down. So those of us with spare fund, we have been waiting for the cheap lower prices. So finally we got it. Okay, next thing is the chart. You just need to see the buyers come back before we buy. Very straightforward. The process is important. Just follow the process to pick up stock. Okay, don't no need to guess what is going to happen to the market tomorrow, or all these forecasting kind of question. I think nobody can answer lah. Right? Any more questions before I take the next flight to Wall Street? Azam, no problem. Thank you for joining. Hope you ask more kawan to come. Okay. Next week, more people to come. Wednesday, today we only have close to 400 or 500. So 100 of you missing. Hopefully next week all come back. Yeah. Irene Tan, that is correct. On Monday, we will talk about the potential stocks. Okay, based on the news, based on the fundamentals, based on the catalyst, which one they classify under, why do they? Okay, very important is why does the stock has a chance to go up? Then we share the strategy to trade on the stock, and then the member will decide which one they want to buy by themselves. Okay. Lydia, is it same Xmas promo for existing member? Oh yes, existing member also the same promo. Okay, also the same promo. Renew 1 year, get 6 months. Renew 2 years, get 1 year. Renew 3 years, get 5 years. Wow. Sorry, 3 years, 2 years. Total 5 years. Okay, now if you guys have any more questions, you can email to us at et@chartnexus.com. I think my assistant has already pinned up there. Okay, so you can email to us to get faster response, because due to this very good deal, my assistant's WhatsApp already exploded. So do not send any more WhatsApp, just email to us. Okay, I have got a second person helping us already. So there is a lot of inquiry, there are a lot of people sign up, so there's a backlog. So we will accept until 7th of January 2359. Yeah. So if you manage to drop an email before that, and also we will lock down the last person, and then the one after that will no longer get this promotion. Okay, those before you email in, that time we'll look at it. 2359, 7th of January. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you next Wednesday. May the politics be over tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Good night. See you again. Bye.